Yo guys, so I use Slug today and I use my Brookhaven avatar. Actually, I have normal avatar in here. Look, there's a summer carnival. But for today's, because I'm gonna play Brookhaven. So I wanna speak Filipino for you guys. I'm gonna try to speak for the first time. Okay, let's go. Let's start. It's only 5 minutes of video or I don't know if what else. Okay, let's start. I want to speak Tagalog for you. One, two, three. Here's. So, hi guys. Pupunta tayo sa Summer Carnival. Yes, that is. Tara, punta tayo sa Summer Carnival. Ang daming mga Pilipino dito. Like, ang dami nila. I don't, I don't actually, inayaan ko lang sila mag-usap dyan. So, pupunta ako sa Summer Carnival. Let's go. Lunggundo! For the first time, I'm going to Carnival. Ay, wow. Oh my gosh! VIP ticket? Can I get it? I got. Wow. I'm getting this. Ano kayang mayroon dito? Siguro pwede ako maglaro dito. Wow! No, ang ganda naman ng house dito. Parang ang happy ko today. Wait, tignan natin yung mga new ngayon sa... Ay, wow, kanino kaya to bahay? Bago lang to kasi first... Ay, hindi. Ngayon lang kasi ako ulit maglalaro ng Brookhaven. So, pasukin natin yung bahay. Wow, may games pa. Pasok tayo sa living room and kitchen. Living room and kitchen daw po, guys. Ito yung CR. Try ko. Ay, wow. Look, guys. Kasi di ako makapag-ugas ng wala akong permission. Kasi nga, hindi ko naman to bahay. At di rin ako pwede humiga. Ay, hindi pwede. Ang ganda naman dito. Parang gusto ko siya bilhin. Wala nga akong Robux. Sa pabili ko na nalang. At meron akong ay meron ako dito. Ay, ang ganda dito. Meron pala akong slide. Tapos baba na tayo. Ang ganda dito. Na-appreciate ko yung bahay na gawa. Like, ito pa, may gaan pa. That is. I really like how I play Brookhaven. Like it's a games. Let's go back. This is living room and kitchen. Wow, this is the kitchen, guys. And this is actually the living room. And this is the CR again. Oh my god, ang ganda dito. Going down. Wait, paano ko lalabas? Dito na ba yun ang final? Lalaglag na ako, yes. May second floor kasi siya. Ganda dito. Can I cam? Pwede ba dito? Di bawal? Ay, pwede. Naglag lang ako. Wow, ang taas ko na. Mababa na ako. Okay guys, dahil ang ganda dito sa Summer Carnival, sobrang dito, ang fun naman dito. I buy tickets? Kailangan ba ng Robux? Oh yeah, it needs Robux. Oh my god, may magpa-perform daw. Sino yung magpa-perform? O nga na, o nga magpa-perform. I wanna perform. Oh wow! Yuri.
Try to write a song
What's wrong?
about the changing of the weather.
Who is
Might have
this?
got it wrong,
The girl?
cause none of these words seem to work together. It's kinda like every time someone's on my mind, makes me think of us together. So I'ma write a
Let's
song
say she's good at
about these times that
singing,
last
mga
forever.
guys.
Come on, get together,
Galing
are
siya
you ready or
magkanta,
not? Cause if I wait too long,
Naki,
I'ma need to
ano
sing my
ito
summer
sila?
song. Oh, sun's in my heart is beating harder and harder. Right from the start, the
Tapos may Michael Jackson pala ako
goes
sa
on
tabi
and on
dito.
and dancing up
I'm Michael Jackson. I don't
singing
know.
along. So let's go back to the start. Sing and dance to my
Guys,
summer song.
ano yan?
And dance, are you ready or not? And if your heart ain't there, well, you can't forget about it. And if your heart ain't there, well, you can't forget about it. Sing and dance, are you ready or not? And if your heart ain't there, well, you can't forget about it. Sing and dance, are you ready or not? And if your heart ain't there, well, you can't. Our summer song, oh, sun's in my heart, it's beating harder and harder. Strong, right from the
Okay
start,
guys,
the
I think for today, this
goes
is
on and
what
on
my
and
vlog gonna
dancing
end.
alone.
Kasi guys, ngayon lang ako nakapag gawa ng Roblox video. Kasi, busy sa school, tapos papasok pa ako mamaya. Ayun mo yung bilis. Hi. Ilan mo yung bilis?